And you just start rolling your hands down from above through the center or the side of your body. Your knee is bent and your hip is down, sitting down a little bit. And then raise it, and then the other side, lift and bring it down. Then from there, you're still on this side, switch in a quick move to the other side, and switch in a quick move to the other side. And then you're ready to just take a half a turn and do the same posture back of your audience. For this part of the dance, let me show you how you're holding your body. We finished here. We bring one of the knees forward, the same knee that you will be going towards this side. If you're going towards this side, this knee will step forward. You see both knees are bent, and you're kind of sitting down as if you had a chair right underneath you. And then these hands are rolling with all the fingers. Then that same side. And then you take a little kick of your skirt, position yourself on the other side. So you're showing your body sideways. Not front, but sideways. The whole silhouette of your body. From here, you take a loop over here. At the same time, you're doing a kick of the skirt. So you end up in the opposite position, and you do that one more time to the other side. And then you just take a quarter of a turn, raise both your hands.